Alright guys, so here I'm gonna show you two Shopify store product pages, and as a buyer you need to decide that from which page you want to purchase, number 1 or number 2. Then I'm gonna show you which one is the best Shopify product page for more and more conversion and sales, and I'll also show you that how you can actually make your Shopify product just like this within 5 minutes, so you can also get more and more sales and more conversion. So the number 1 store in front of you is this one. You can see that this product is called electric food grinding tool. And if we start exploring the structure of this page, so we can see that on the left side there are some images of this product. You can see that in the first image we can see the product in action, and in the second image we can see a close-up of this product, like how this product can help you to grind your food. And all of these images are full HD in high resolution, and we can actually clearly see like for what purpose we can use this product. And if we go further down, we can see all of the other images. And if we go again up, on the right side we can first see the title with the brand name and the TM logo, and then we can see the review section, and we can see that there are total 6 reviews and all reviews are 5-star. And after that we can see a price, which is basically a strike-through price. Like this price is showing that before they were selling for £25, but right now they are giving a discount of £6, and if you place the order right now you can actually get this product for £18.99. And then if we go further down, we can see 2 buttons, add to cart and buy it now. And then we can see a secure payment tab, which can actually build a buyer trust on the store owner, so they will not hesitate to put their credit card or debit card information on that website. They will trust the store and purchase from there. And then if we go further down, we can see a description, and that description is properly written in a proper format and having all the information about the product, like all of the questions which buyer want to ask, like what is the material, what is the weight, what is the condition, and when I get the packaging, what items should be included in that packaging. So all of the information about the product we can see here, and later in the description we can just find some bullet point like how this product works and what is the use of that product. And then if we go further down, we can see some more images, the specification, and then later we can see some social media sharing button. And then if we zoom out and scroll further down, so here we can see these products, like these are the other products from this store, and then at last we can see those 5-star reviews which can actually build more credibility to the customer. And then if we go further down, we can see the footer. So this was the product page number 1, and now I'm going to show you the product page number 2, which is this one. So here you can see that the text and the font of this page is not that much good, and on the top left corner we can see the logo is not in the proper format, and if we go further down we cannot see any payment secure option or payment secure tag. And if you go further down, you can see that the description is also empty and there are no reviews for this product. And if you go further down, so this product suddenly ends with a footer. So now if we go up and compare this page with this page, so let me know in the comment box below like from which page you will actually buy. And if you ask me, then I will surely buy from this page, not from this page, because to me as a buyer this product page is looking professional and authentic, because I can find every information on that page about the product I want, and there are good reviews, strike-through price, payment secure tab, and so on. So if you also make your product page just like this, then you can actually get a good conversion rate. Like no matter how much traffic you are driving to your Shopify store from social media platform or ads, if your product page is not good, you will get the traffic but they will not buy from your store. So if you want to increase the conversion rate, like for example if 100 people visit your store, then 20 or 25 people must purchase, then you need to apply all of these techniques on your Shopify store product page, so you can get the sales from the maximum customers visiting your store. So now at this point, if you also want to learn like how you can actually make your page like this, then keep on watching this video completely till the end without skipping any part. As you can see here, this is my today's sales for Shopify, and if I put the filter for past month, you can see that in past month I got almost $5,400 revenue. And the cool thing about this is that I only focus 40% on paid marketing and 60% on organic traffic. And if you go on my YouTube channel, you can find out these free playlists on Shopify, on Pinterest, and on TikTok. And if you watch all of those videos for free on these playlists, you'll be able to know like how I actually generate free traffic from these social media platforms on my Shopify store, from TikTok, from Pinterest. And if you watch all of these videos in my Shopify playlist, so you'll be able to know like how I optimize my Shopify store to get more sales, more conversion with less spend. Alright guys, so as you can see here, I'm on Shopify store dashboard right now. So let me just show you how you can actually create your product page just like that, which I have just shown you right now. So in order to start, from the left side we can just click on this product page, and then you will be able to see all of those products which you are having on your store. So let's just click on the first one, which is shoehorn. And when I click on that, I will be able to see the edit page from which I can just edit anything for this page. You can see that here's a title, and then if we go further down, here is a description, and you can see that there is a GIF video. So later I'm also going to show you how you can actually create this kind of video, so that will also be displayed on your description. You can see that if I click on view this page, then you can see that from this page I can see some multiple color variation for this product like pink, white, green and gray. And if I go further down, I can see a video on the description. So let's first see how we can actually make the title like this. So you can see that this is the title for this product, like this is a brand name and this is a title like two-piece shoe horn. So to make the title more authentic, you must need to add a TM logo right after the brand name. So you don't need to type that TM, but instead you can just go on Google and type TM mark and click on enter. So from here you can just copy this whole line and then paste that line here, just like that. So from that line you can just either use this registered mark or TM mark. So here you can just remove all of that text which you don't want, like I don't want this one, I don't want comma, I only want TM. And from there I can just delete all of the other text. So just like that, you can just go on Google, type TM mark and copy the TM mark and paste that into your title. So that will make your title more authentic. And then after completing the title, you need to make sure that your title must be explaining your product into 2 or 3 words, like two pieces shoe horn helper. So right after reading this title, I will be able to know, like if I purchase this product, what will I get? I will get 2 pieces shoe horn helper. And if I want to learn more about this, I can just read the description or see the images. And then after that, if I go further down, I can see this money back guarantee logo. So I also get this logo from the Google. You can just go on Google and type money back guarantee PNG. And after typing that, I can just click on image. And from there, I can just see all of these tags. But here you can see that there are some smaller tags. So if you want to get a bigger tag, you can just change the text and make it to payment secure SSL PNG. So right after that, you will be able to see some more logo. So you can just type these kind of phrases from here and scroll down and just select any of the logo you want. You can see that this logo seems more authentic and more beautiful. So either you can just save this logo or you can just click on that one and save this logo. So after saving that logo or that banner in the form of PNG or JPEG in your laptop, you can just go there. You can just click on this add image, and from there you can just upload that image file from your computer, and then you will be able to see that file here. And from there you can just click that file and insert image. So in that way you will be able to insert that image into your description. So after inserting that image, you can just go down and you can just write the feature of that product by yourself, or either you can use a description on your AliExpress supplier page, or even you can just use ChatGPT to write a description for you for this product. And then right after writing the description, you need to work on this GIF image. So basically this is called GIF image, but it's not an image, it's a video, and it's a 2 or 3 second video which is in loop. Like you can see that this 2 or 3 second video is playing again and again, and it is in a GIF format. So if you want to make this kind of video, you can just simply download your product video from your supplier page, like from AliExpress or Alibaba, and then you can just crop that video to 1 or 2 seconds from any video editing software in your phone. And then when you get the file, you need to convert that file into GIF format. So for that, you just need to go to Google again and type MP4 to GIF converter online. And after typing that, you need to click on this first or second link, and then from here you need to select that particular 1 or 2 second file and drag and drop that file from here. So this website will convert your file from MP4 to GIF, and then you can just download that GIF and upload that GIF again in the description of your product from this image icon. So your GIF image or video will start displaying like this on your Shopify product description. So when you go on your Shopify page, you will be able to see these videos in the description just like that. And right after writing the description, putting the best title, putting the best images, you just need to do 3 things more. Number 1, you need to change the font and color of your title, but it's totally depend on you. Do you want to change or not? And then you need to make your price like strike-through price like this. And then at last, you need to import some reviews from your AliExpress supplier. So your reviews will look like this and your page will look more credible. Like after reading the reviews from the customers, your new customer will know like this product is authentic and people have actually purchased that product in the past. That's why they are giving 5-star reviews. So now let's see how we can make the price a strike-through price and how we can change the color and font of the text. So go again on that page. And from there we can just go down, and then you can see here that there are basically 5 variations for this product, and they are color variation like red, pink, white, green and gray. And then here you can see that the product price is 9.99, but if you want to make it a strike-through price, you must need to type 15 pounds cross 9.99. That means before we were selling this product for 15 pounds, but right now we are giving a discount and giving it to you for 9.99 pounds. So in order to change that price, we need to select all of these variants, and after selecting, we can just click on this bulk edit. And as soon as we click on this bulk edit and click on leave the page, then you will be able to see all of these variations. And here you can see the price tab, and if you click on columns and click on compare at price, then you will be able to see a new column which is called compare at price. So here you can see that this will be the original price, like 20 pounds, which you are showing as a compare price, and this will be the discounted price which customer needs to pay. So in that way, if you do that and click on save, so your price will look something like this on your main page. You can see that before 20 pounds and right now 9.99 pounds. So if you make your price look like this, then there are high chances for your customer to purchase your product right now, because they will see that right now they are getting this product at discounted price. So now let's move on to our dashboard again and see how we can actually change the color and font of the text. So we need to go back, and if we want to change the color, text and font, for that we can just go on online store, and from that theme section we can just click on this customize button. And when we click on the customize button, so from the left bar, we can just make any customization in the theme. Like we can just change the text color, text font, we can just make changes in header, we can just add or delete pages from header, we can just add or delete pages from footer, we can just modify footer and modify the whole main page and sub pages. So you can just customize the whole theme from here. And from the left side, if I click on theme settings and colors and typography, so from the typography section you can just change the font of your color, font of your heading or description, and from this color section you can just change the color of your text, like your title and the description. For example, if you click on typography, then you will be able to see some available fonts from here, and when you select any font and click on select, so that font will be selected and that font will be changed for the text throughout your Shopify store. Okay, so now the last thing which is left is reviews. As you can see here, when I scroll down on my product page, I can see many of the people has given me the reviews with the images. You can see that there are some text in the review, and if I scroll down, I can see customer has actually posted some picture reviews as well about the product, like what about the quality, what about the experience. And if I go up, you can see that these reviews are actually verified. So now the question is, if your product is new, how can you actually get these kind of reviews on your product? So no need to worry. For this purpose, we have actually a free plugin available on Shopify store, from which we can actually import the reviews from our supplier. For example, your AliExpress supplier is actually selling that product from past couple of years, and they have sold hundreds of units of that product to their customer, and their customers has given them reviews on that product. So we can actually import those reviews, like text reviews or image reviews, from that AliExpress supplier to your listing. So all of those reviews will be verified and will be of the same product, but in actual you don't need to have those reviews from your customer. So in order to export those reviews to your Shopify product page, you need to go on Shopify dashboard, and from here on the left side you need to click on this online store and then go down, click on apps, and here you can actually type the name of that plugin, and the name of that plugin is A Reviews. So let's type A Reviews and click enter. So now as you can see here, that plugin is already installed on my Shopify store. That's why it is showing me that and is giving me the option of updating that app. But on your side, if you are not having that plugin on your Shopify store, so as soon as you type A Reviews in the search bar and click on search, you will be redirected to Shopify App Store, and there you can just find that plugin. You can see the logo here and install that plugin. And after installing that particular plugin, you can simply go on AliExpress, search for your product, pick up any supplier of that particular product who is selling the same product, and then copy and paste the link of that supplier to A Reviews. And when you paste the link of that supplier to A Reviews, all of the reviews will be imported from that particular supplier to your listing, like this, as you can see here. And if you want to learn that process of importing reviews from your supplier to your listing step by step, and you want to filter out all of the bad reviews, and you want to only import 5-star reviews with images, then you can just go on YouTube and type how to get reviews on Shopify, and there you will find my video like this. So in this short video, you will learn the whole process step by step, like how you can actually import the reviews of your choice. So right after watching this video, go there and apply all of the tips I have explained you in this video on your Shopify product page. So your product page will also looks good, and it will be able to impress your customer, so you can actually get more and more good conversion and more sales, and hence make more and more profit. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you really enjoyed the video and learned something great from it. So if you find my content really informative and helpful for you, then make sure to like the video and subscribe the channel as well, so you can watch more and more videos like this in future. Let's meet in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye.